Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Hope you all are well and subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, in this video I am going to open these 3 AliExpress product. I get this 3 products after a long time, and today I like to open this product and talk about the product quality also. So let's start. So guys, first I like to open this product. Okay, there's nothing. So this is a 3.5 mm audio cable headphone connector plug. So as you can see, this is seems fine, good quality. So this is nothing else. So I'm going to next product, this one. So this is a portable 5 ml travel mini perfume spray container, as you can see. So I like to refill some perfume so that you can understand. So I'm going to So for refill perfume here, just open the cap of your perfume. So just press this spray container button at the top of the spray and just press quietly. So in this way you just refill this bottle and carry this bottle with you for when you travel anywhere. Here you can see it's refill quietly. Here you can see. So this is a really nice product to me. I'm going to next product. So my next and last product is nothing but one phone case. So I like to open this one. Sorry about. This is a phone case for my Android phone. Here we can see. So that's all. I hope you like this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video. Thank you for watching. You'll find all the product link in my description. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy. See you next video.